Okay, so what if you could create a totally original song just by describing it? Or, get this, what if you could turn your favorite photo into its very own soundtrack? Well, that's not science fiction anymore. Google has just dropped a powerful AI music studio right inside its Gemini app, and guess what? It's free for everyone to use.
Now that line you see, that's not from some futuristic movie. Nope, that's a lyric written by the very AI we're going to be talking about today. And it just perfectly sets the stage for the creative explosion we're about to see.
All right, so here's the big news, the main event. Google just released its latest and greatest music generation model. It's called Lyria 3, and it's now baked right into Gemini for anyone to use. I mean, this is a massive step in getting these super powerful AI tools into everyone's hands. And listen, we're not talking about needing some complicated music software or, any musical talent whatsoever. You can literally now create these short, totally original music tracks just by describing what you want to hear. It's that simple.
So, the big question is, how does this actually work, right? Let's break down the whole process, from a simple idea all the way to a custom-made song. You're going to see it's surprisingly easy.
Okay, and here's a really key difference from other tools out there. You don't even have to write your own lyrics. All you do is describe the vibe you're going for, a feeling, a situation, a place, and the AI just generates the words and the music. But, and this is cool, you still get to control the final style, the vocals, and even the tempo.
It really does break down what's normally a super complex creative process into just 3 simple steps. You think it, you describe it, and boom, Gemini creates it.
All right, let's look at a real-world example. Here's a super simple direct prompt someone used to generate a custom theme song for a tech update channel.
And check this out. Here are the results. Just look at how the AI took that one little prompt and created these custom, totally relevant lyrics. It understood the whole context, AI, updates, the future, and just wove it all together into a real song. It's wild. Okay, but this is where it gets even more powerful when you start using it for fun, personal stuff. Seriously, think of it like having your own personal DJ or a songwriter on call 24/7.
So, to really test its flexibility, someone took the same basic idea, a friendly roast for a friend named Shubham, who's turning 30, and requested it in 2 completely different musical styles. First up, a classic 70s rock anthem, and then, for something totally different, an energetic Bollywood track. And just look at how well the AI adapted. It's amazing. It didn't just, change the music, it completely shifted the lyrical style to create this fun, celebratory roast that perfectly fits the new genre. This isn't just translating, it's totally reinterpreting the whole vibe.
Okay, get ready. Now we're going to talk about what might be the most mind-blowing feature of all. This is where the AI stops being just a text interpreter and becomes a visual one.
So this is where we really push the technology to its absolute limits. I mean, can an AI actually look at a photo, a silent, static image, and compose a dynamic, original piece of music that captures its whole essence? Let's find out.
So here's the test. It's just a simple vacation photo uploaded directly into Gemini. And the crucial part is this. There was no text prompt describing the scene. None. Just the image itself.
And wow, this is just incredible. The AI didn't just get the general vibe of a beach trip. No, it analyzed the image and included specific visual details, like the sunglasses and the cap, right there in the lyrics. It's literally seeing, understanding, and then creating based on that. It's insane.
So, after seeing all of that, what does this actually mean? For creators, for storytellers, or really for any of us who just want a new way to express ourselves?
Well, the big takeaway is this. This tool completely transforms music creation from something that was a highly specialized skill into a new language for everyday expression. This isn't just about making some background music for your videos. It's about fundamentally changing who gets to call themselves a musician and how we all share our personal stories and moments with the world.
So, this tool is rolling out to everyone right now. And that leaves us with one final, and I think really exciting thought to chew on. If creating a song is suddenly this easy, what new kinds of stories are we all going to tell?